Here I have EssentialB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, and then to the ringtone and vibrate. Here you can select the ringtone. For example, you can select one of these pre-installed ringtones. You can add your own ringtone by selecting the file from your system's memory, or you can just select file from the YouTube music. But I think that if I choose any song, this video will be banned, so let's just let's just select one of the preset ringtones, because that's how it is. So here are some of them. Beautiful ringtones. Okay, they all suck, so I'll just select any one of these. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.